Watch as Josh demonstrates how to assemble our new Keyhole Briefcase Upright model. It begins by unfolding it and sitting down comfortably while you assemble all of the parts, beginning with the flaps. They're secured into an aluminum channel that is on the back side of the front lip. Then you reach into your pocket and you grab the magic acorns. And the acorns go where they're supposed to go. Some people are quicker at getting their acorns where they're supposed to go than other people. Now the top goes on. Notice the handy dandy spring latches. At this point, the latches just secure into the holes. Or if you're like Josh, you'll struggle bus a little and we'll get it in there already.